Alright, guys, we are back. And thank you for those of you tuning in that are new. Please subscribe if you have not already. Anyway, so as above, so below is where we left off last time. It is a real thing. Right here. As above, so below. That's why it's different color. If you want to see more about this and its truth, when I say it's real, it is real. Hang on just a moment. And we're back. Alright, so first off, as I've told you, it's a Cain and Abel, a cannibalistic system, okay? So it's eating itself, first off. But anyways, this is a very good book. And here is what you're looking at. Right there. That is what you're looking at. As above, so below. Alright? It also has, if you guys can see that, hang on. Alright, and we're back. The as above, so below. Right here. That is what you are looking at. Right there. As above, so below. That is the same photo. Alright. Same thing, as above, so below. Once you pull an Isaiah 29, Subway is as above, so below. Same thing I just showed you. As above, so below. Yep. All day, guys. I see this crap all day. By the way, Catholics, it's not your fault, it's your doctrine's fault. This is witchcraft. Woe unto the women who wear charm bracelets. Scripture. Alright? Yeah, it's witchcraft. Do a little bit of homework. It's easy to find out that one. And I saw a bunch of people wearing it. These are only the photos that I could snag without being seen. Alright. So if you turn, here's the Waco symbol. And then that's the Waco symbol right there, Waco, Texas. And if you pull an Isaiah 29, 9, 11, and the 2 shall become 1, and that's why it's also the 11 is a part of the 9. Also, if you, let's see if we can get it to do it. Yeah, right there. That is the female reproductive system giving birth to a falling star. Yep. A falling star. A fallen angel, a Nephilim. Again, that is what we are. Here is at work. I decoded this really quick. So this right here is the sheep's eyes. This right here is the other sheep's eye. The main frame of the face, and then it goes into down where the nose of the sheep would be, middle of the forehead, obviously. Right there, right there. Yep, that is the carcass head of a sheep on a beer can. Woe unto them who wink with the eye and stick out the tongue. Also, I'd like to point out that it says Neph. Now, short for Nephilim, first of all. So, short for the fallen angels. The word Nephil means fallen one. And then the words I'm means one. So anyways, that stands for Nephilim, fallen angels. But it's also, they chose two F's instead of a PH because it's a twin system. 2 and 2. Boom. X marks the spot. Also, I'd like to point out, this is weird. This was on my friend's thing. Now it says Sirius. However, in Egyptian mythology, religion, whatever Egyptian, is their god that is named Sirius, is the one with the head of the dog. Yep. Obviously, there's that. So that's not at all a Christian or Christ-based symbol. That is 666. So you've got the first 6 is right there. The second 6 is right here. And then the last 6 is right here. 666. Also, this is plain as freaking day. They hide in plain sight. Your rulers mock you. So first off, the Bank of America and Wells Fargo is owned by the Rockefellers. They are all Freemasons. And 11 plus 11 plus another 11 equals 33. 33-degree Freemason, for those that don't know. Also, this one's kind of funny. Toyota spells Toyota, but I also noticed that Toyota has the symbol of Baal, the bull, or the devil. It's all the same thing. This one right here is kind of obvious. 666. America. Oh yeah, that's an American company. I'll point this one out because this one's obvious too. Your Chrome symbol, and then obviously the company. For those of you that don't know about CERN, go look it up. But their logo is obviously 3 6s. Ones that we've decoded ourselves. There's 3 6s on the Olive Garden. Let's try to find that one. Actually, real quick before we go to that, I want to make note. I actually did a video on this, but I also snagged a photo. So here's your double cross also. But this is right in the middle of a town. In Grapevine, Texas. Old Grapevine, I think. So there's the compass for the Freemasonry. G for God, generation. Then yeah, like I said, same thing with the Exxon symbols, the double cross. But things that we've decoded. Oh yeah, I wanted to point this out real quick. I think I might have missed it on last episode. That these are the mandibles of the lotus, right here, right there. And we'll do a decoding episode. Maybe it might be this piece. It might be a different piece. It's whatever the Lord leads me to showing you guys. Here's Vladimir Putin's, one of his coat of arms. These two are connected because it is a twin system. It is also a blue ribbon because red and blue make purple. Red and blue. The tongue is red. The underneath of the helmet, of the king's helmet, is red. Red and blue, red and blue. Red and blue make purple. That's the color of their god. And then obviously you've got gold and then black, symbolic for Saturn. We've already went over the Statue of Liberty. I mean, we're born upside down. Into this world, we're born upside down. Here's a fallen angel photo that I found. Okay. Same thing, fallen angel. As I always tell you, that's what we are, fallen into this world. Trapped in a host body. This is what I just showed you in the photo. The intersecting W's represented this. This is called the vesica piscis. I was going to say it earlier, but I didn't know if I was correct. So, but yes, we were right. Also, point out real quick that if we pull an Isaiah 29, there's a 6, there's another 6, and there's another 6. On the Olive Garden sign, 666. Alright, there we go. Boom. Alright. We went over the fact that the AAA is nothing but 666. Now we've went over this, but this is without it being outlined, and it's the entire thing, zoomed out, obviously. So here's the nose of the sheep. Let me see if I can. Nope, that's as far as I can zoom in. So here's the nose of the sheep. Here's the mouth of the sheep. Here's the eye of the sheep. The eye of the sheep. The mandibles of the lotus. The eye of the lotus, the eye of the lotus, the head of the lotus, and then the antennas of the lotus. The full pair of antennas. So the whole thing is again, a giant lotus eating a sheep. The same exact thing every single time. Not only does that look like the Bohemian Grove owl, but there's an intersecting W right there. And this just happens to be a company for watching. Yeah. So anyway. And along with the Vesica Pisces, alright, so along with that, we will end this segment with the fact that this is the female reproductive system, and the fact that this lines up perfectly right there. But it also is the face. Here's the mandibles, here's the eyes, there's the face. It is also a lotus. See you next episode, and be blessed.